Up next is Kelly, an OTC alum whose journey proves you can go anywhere from here, even all the way to a doctorate. After starting at Ogeechee Tech as a busy mom of two, Kelly transferred to Georgia Southern University, earned her bachelor's, and is now a third-year doctor of physical therapy student. Kelly, please share with us how OTC launched your career.
Hey y'all, thanks for the introduction, Alex. So growing up, I always knew I wanted to serve other people, but I had no idea what that was gonna look like. As a teen mother, college initially wasn't in the cards, so my journey to get here looks a lot different than most. But my story gave me the life experience, motivation, and grit to be here today. After a long time away from education, I took a leap of faith with the drive to pursue something I would be passionate about and landed on being a physical therapist. In my research on how to achieve that future, I found that OTC had small classes and a great program that was not intimidating for someone who was never a great student and who now had 2 children in tow. Upon beginning my journey at OTC, I had a devastating accident, breaking both of my arms. That's right, at the same time. I thought it was over before it even began, but my professors really worked with me to make sure I had everything I needed to succeed. They went above and beyond to ensure my success was still possible despite my circumstances. The environment as a whole is an empowering and invaluable resource for those that have taken the road less traveled, just like me. From the encouraging bookstore staff to the incredible professors, my time at OTC is a huge contributor to my future success as a doctor of physical therapy. Thanks to OTC's articulation agreement with Georgia Southern, I transferred and completed my bachelor's, preparing me for the next level course load and eventually a full-time doctoral program. I couldn't have done it without Ogeechee Tech. If you're ever looking for a pick-me-up, head on over to the bookstore and you won't leave without a smile on your face. That's all, folks. Back to you, Alex.
Kelly, your story is a powerful example of how OTC opens doors to every level of education. From small, supportive classes to earning a spot in a doctoral program, you have shown that determination plus the right start can take you anywhere. And we cannot wait to see you transform lives as a physical therapist.